The name puri is used for a bread product on page 22 or a dessert product on page 75. This video clip shows the technique to prepare the bread product described on page 22. Follow steps 1 through 7. The video clip shows how to roll each ball into a 3.5 diameter circle. Once the oil is hot, slide 1 puri in and using a large serving spoon, gently drizzle or splash hot oil on top of the puri as it is cooking. This will cause the dough to puff up. Once golden brown on both sides, remove from pan and allow to drain on paper towels. Serve hot. The leftover oil may be used to fry chilies as shown here. They may be served as condiments, pickles, or a relish. Sprinkle with salt before serving. Chilies of various spiciness may be purchased. In general, the smaller the chili, the spicier or hotter.